Hi all, this is a very quick video on vlookup. This is to show you how to use vlookup. So let's say I have a table, right? Name EBCD scores 4321. So let's say I want to find out the score of B, right? So what I do is I will key in this formula equal vlookup. So I want to look up the value B, right? So the table array, it's I can highlight the whole two columns, or I can highlight these cells. Normally I will just highlight so that I won't miss out anything. And then which column, right, I want to retrieve, which column I want to retrieve, right? So it's column number 2. So column number 1 is name, column number 2 is scores. So I want to retrieve the scores, so I put a 2 there, right? And then I always put false, so it will give me an exact match, right? There you go. B is 3, right? Let's say if I want to find the results of E, I just change B to E, and then it's 4, right? So I can actually drag down the formula, right? And then you can see D is 1, C is 2. This is a very short video. Hope this helps you with the vlookup. Thank you.